my good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Clips, where on this channel I set the first of my the first clip of my channel, and also on here with the first content. Now, if you guys remember, I believe it went on Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, maybe Monday I went out, but Tuesday and Wednesday, when the snow, um, honestly, it wasn't that bad. I mean, it didn't rain. I mean, yeah, it was some rain and snow, but it just rained. There's no snow. Oh no, it was some rain flying away. Oh, wait, no. Why am I? Yeah. Now, for tonight storm and tomorrow storm, I mean, the same thing, although, um, it's hot right now, and then wind and rain. And it not been the winds, probably around 50 miles per hour. That one with no one here. Simply not nothing. And then, I don't know, like, and not nuts, but not like, and then, oh, like, the kind of wind is 21 miles per hour. Probably, it's more 21 miles per hour, going all the way until tomorrow, probably 27 miles per hour. Like 7 a.m. all the way till, not all the way till, 6 o'clock tomorrow. Um, and it was precipitation. Oh, right now, it's actually raining, obviously. Um, and then, 9, um, only 40% for rain and snow. Now me around 2 o'clock in the morning. Uh-oh, that 1 hour. Sorry. But right now, I'm going you, excuse me, to my camera, and I'm showing you, hold on, yeah, that's it. I'm bring you over to the camera and show you what it look like out there. Out on the I hear that, but it's pretty muddy out there. Alright, so here we are. Yeah, the camera is really not that good. It's fucking, we're not like putting on that. Maybe like if it's like it's looking very quietly. You hear the wind. And that only, you might feel like the trees are like shaking, like very, like shaking pretty hard. And put nothing around, as I said, 50 miles an hour. And then, and it, and then winds around 31 miles per hour. So, yeah, I mean, into my night and into my morning. Um, out in Colorado, well, I mean, I think like 55 or 58 is gonna never in. Um, but, I think, 50 out in that, but, can I open mine? I don't really know about, anything, you know. Yeah, yeah, you're not let me put on me, on it, um, not, you know, really, I don't want to in the bar, hot like this, mainly in the summertime, obviously that woman, it's just storms, you know, not tornado, hurricanes, I don't remember no Georgia, it's the Manado, the winter hurricane, no, I have always, I want me in a hurricane, I don't know why, I just want me in a hurricane, I've been watching a lot of videos about it, and I don't want to understand one, I want to know one, and shit, I don't know, I don't know, I didn't, um, yeah. And then top of the hormone lining, I mean, you know, you get like, you can't know, that, it's crazy, and it's crazy. Now, I didn't probably continue with tomorrow, I might make another video, and tomorrow you see it like a whole lot better, um, yeah, actually, like, around 6 or 7, when I went out, like, on a picking up around 50 miles an hour, and, come always, like, flying, and I mean, like, going insane, so, yeah. I think I'm not even off, I mean, I took the last night, like, out, number 1, 2, maybe I'm wrong, I meant, like, the part 2, I mean, going outside, um, I mean, yeah, I just made it out with my neighbor's thing, you know, but, I don't wanna, like, know when or know anything. Yeah, I get what sometimes that, like, that will, you know, thunderstorms, you know, like lightning and, you know, hail, and I, I, I don't want thunderstorms, even though that I'm, like, never in pretty strong, yeah, it makes kind of like, you know, a high wind warning, or a severe thunderstorm warning, or a winter weather, no, a winter storm warning, and it's kind of, they're like, oh, you know, when that happened, oh no, fortunately, I'm in the city that, what the fuck? Um, no, turn out right? Nice, turn out right? I'm a lightning. I'm literally just talking about thunderstorming. What the hell? No, let me say, put me in the rain. That meant I didn't about lightning. But, you know, took me small winds and rain. It made me snow. I don't need, wow, that off your north. That's it off your north. Up the right point thinking, Lord. I have it on I'm like, the freeze was no naked. But actually, the lightning that is wow, I did not expect to see lightning on this. I, I, I was literally not expecting rain, maybe snow, but definitely snowman, not lightning. No, not honey, you know, no, I don't want the honey. I don't know rainstorm, it's raining, and it's windy, nothing, not saying, no, unexpected lightning came out of nowhere. Ain't it? Y'all know right? Yeah, that came out of nowhere, man. Like, I was just up, yeah. Like, what is he over there, baby? He wanted to freeze. The phone had the lights on. Yeah. Yeah, yep. I'm down in Southern Colorado. Um, I mean, it depends. Well, in the rain or snow, what mode? No. I, this, what if I, wait a minute, it's not something I had me watch now on Tuesday. And then the evening. Now, it's not something right now, no. No, I'm not sure. I'll admit it, to run on the channel and I wanted to like over 15 minutes. That many times I hung up, well, lines. That's what I cannot open this window. And I tried at some point. I cannot open it. Everything that was in it, the rain, the snow, no, well, the rain and the wind. It has no. I mean, can you? No, what the hell? What am I talking about? Oh my god. No, you're not here. No. I'm not nowhere. I hear rain and hail and wind and lightning. Well, and hit a transformer and thunder. That was just thunder. And sleet and other stuff. Alright, I might go outside. I might go outside and make a part two. But I think right now I'm gonna end up the video. Yeah, I wanna know. Okay. And we're gonna not you know. Let's see. And yeah. Okay, so I just reset the system. It says that the wind, the insane wind, are going already 32 miles per hour. It's raining. If I'm the wind, it's not on the dial. 20, 32, 34, 36, 33. Wow. Wow. It's insane. Like, yeah, wow. I mean, I love it. I love it. Yeah, I mean, I don't part two. Probably in an hour or, I mean, I don't have to go tomorrow, so who knows. Alright, guys, pick up the button. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're new, please subscribe to the main channel, the Harry Show. Now, I make public content, I don't know. I react to SML, Nightman, Colorina, Nightmare, and all that stuff. Yeah. Right? I'm gonna respect it one more time. I don't know why I don't want to. It's 15. Right. Peace out.